How to recover your Zoho mail account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho mail website. Once you're in the login page, enter your registered email address or your phone number. Once it prompts you to enter your password of your account, right below that you can see the forgot password link. Tap on it. You need to verify this CAPTCHA first. It'll ask you to enter your last password if you remember. Otherwise, you can tap on this continue to reset password option. From here, you need to verify your identity first. You can either choose to verify via email address or via your phone number. Select your preferred option. Once you have received the code, paste the code over here and tap on verify. Now it will prompt you to create a new password for your account. Make sure your new password is secured and easy for you to remember. Once you are done, right below that, reconfirm your new password. After that, you can tap on this change password button. And there you go, your password has been successfully recovered. That's how you can easily recover your Zoho mail account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.